Hi all, today's topic is conformal mapping for a problem 2. Find the image of modulus of z minus 2i equal to 2 under the transformation w equal to 1 by z. Okay, we have to do a transformation w equal to 1 by z. So what is the question it asked? So as it is the question, w equal to 1 by z. We know that z can be written to be 1 by w. Okay, so w is nothing but, what is w? W is nothing but u plus iv. So it is 1 by u plus iv. So if I have like this denominator only one term means I have to do a conjugate on both the sides. So conjugate, what is the conjugate of u plus iv? The conjugate is u minus iv. So multiply and divide. So the remaining as it is the question will be. So according to that now I can write it. So multiply. So numerator will be u minus iv. Denominator what it becomes u squared. So minus I squared is minus 1. So plus v squared. U squared plus v squared we are getting. So we know that z is nothing but x plus iy. Now compare both we have to compare it. What is real part and what is imaginary part, we have to write it. Real part separate and imaginary part separate. Real part, imaginary part. So when I write x equal to real part, x equal to u divided by u squared plus v squared. So consider this as a first equation. Y equal to minus v divided by u square plus v square. Consider this as a second equation. Okay, now what I have to do, given point, what is the condition image it's given in the question, so that we have to take it. So when I take it, the question it is given to be determinant of z minus modulus of z minus 2i equal to 2. It is given in the question. Z, we know that z is nothing but x plus iy. So x plus iy minus 2i equal to 2. Simplify, arrange the terms. So x plus I separate. So y minus 2 equal to 2. So now determinant I have to remove means what it is. So we can write it in terms of square root because it is in the z plane. So this fully termed as a z plane. Okay. So now x squared plus y minus 2 the whole squared root. Okay, root will be removed. So equal to radius r squared, this right hand side, x squared. This determinant I have to remove, or modulus I have to remove means what is the procedure? X squared plus y minus 2 the whole squared equal to r squared. So r squared, this a squared. So it is nothing but 4. Okay. So now what is this equation? This is equation is called as a circle equation. This is a circle equation, because the point is not given in the question. So if it is given like this general case, we directly given x equal to 4, x equal to 3, it's easy to draw a diagram. So it is not given, we have to convert it like this only, we have to find the points. Now we know that here it is 0, here it is 2. So circle equation, this is a circle equation with the center. What is our center? Center 0, 2. Center is 0, 2 with the radius. This is a squared is radius. A is nothing but 2 and radius is 2. Radius equal to 2. This is a question given. Okay, so now I'll simplify this, extend this. You have this as it is. I will tell you how to draw a diagram. Before that, what I'm going to do, expand this. Okay, so it is x squared, y minus 2 the whole squared expansion I'm writing. So y squared minus 4y. So it is plus 4 this minus 4 comes to the right hand side, it becomes 0. So x squared plus y squared minus 4y equal to 0. So I can write it as x squared plus y squared equal to 4y. This you have it to be third equation. Okay. So now what I am going to do, I know already x, I know already y, I have calculated. X and y I am going to substitute in this. I will get in terms of u and v. That is why I have done this. Okay. Reason why I proceeded this means, so now already I have x and y. So I have to convert this with respect to for a w plane. I have to draw a diagram for z plane diagram I have to draw, and w plane diagram I have to draw. Okay, I have to convert the transfer to w plane. So what is the diagram? Z plane I know how to draw. I have a points, so I can draw it. But w plane, if I know points only, I can draw it diagram. So for that reason only, I'm going to substitute this 1 and 2 in the third equation. I will get u and v. Now we can draw a line. So that only I'm going to do in this. Okay. So last I will draw a diagram. Okay. First I will find the points for u and v. So substitute in this 1 and 2. Substitute equation 1 and 2 in 3. Substitute it x squared. So it is nothing but u by u squared plus v squared the whole squared plus minus v divided by u squared plus v squared the whole squared equal to 4 times of y. It's nothing but minus v divided by u squared plus v squared. So now u squared divided by u squared plus v squared the whole squared plus v squared divided by u squared plus v squared the whole squared equal to 4 minus 4 times v divided by u squared plus v squared. So simplify it. First left you take a LCM. So when I take LCM, u squared plus v squared the whole squared, I can take it LCM. So it is nothing but same only u squared plus v squared. 1 u squared plus v squared 1 get cancelled. Minus 4 into v divided by u squared plus v squared. This also get again cancelled. So what I will get? Minus 4v equal to 1. You will do mistake in this. Equal to 0 you will write. So that is wrong. Okay. So v I am getting equal to minus 1 by 4. So some point if I get, I am not getting u at all. Some point if I get, it is the meaning, it's a straight line. Okay. So v equal to or u equal to means it's called as a straight line. Okay. Which is a straight line. Which is a straight line. Because 1 point x equal to 1 means how will you draw? General. So v equal to minus 1 by 4 means you get a confusion. You tell me x equal to 1 means how will you draw? Like this, or y equal to 1 like this. Okay, so straight line only. So same way it may be in negative part. Okay, so it's called as a straight line. In which plane? In W plane. In W plane. So now Z plane also we know the shape. W plane also we know the shape. Now we have to draw a diagram. Lastly, we have to complete it with a diagram. So now I will draw you diagram for W plane and Z plane. Compulsorily you have to draw diagram for all the problems. So Z plane diagram, W plane diagram. It may be simple, not exact diagram. Rough diagram it's enough. X axis, Y axis. Always Z plane x and y axis. So it is a center with 0, 2 as a vertices. So 2 as a vertices means, so with respect to radius 4, 2. So I will draw like this. Okay. Here it is 0, 2. Okay. Radius is 2. So equation you can write it here. X squared plus y minus 2 the whole square equal to 4 we got. So like this you mention it. Okay. So this is the Z plane. This is enough. Okay. So it is 0 or origin. Okay. So for a Z plane completed. Same way W plane. Anyway it's a straight line only, but you have to draw and show it. Okay. For example, this is your U and this is your V. Okay. So now we know that this is nothing but V equal to 0. This is nothing but U equal to 0. This is origin at center. Okay. Now V equal to minus 1 by 4. V equal to minus 1 by 4 means V horizontal. Okay, V. If it is U means vertical, diagram will be vertical. So now horizontal only, it is in negative means where I have to draw. I will draw it like this shade, because both you will get confusion. So this is V equal to minus 1 by 4. So I have drawn a simple diagram. Compulsorily you have to draw a diagram. So it is completed. This way only we have to complete the solution. Thank you.